Welcome to the Blocks Show.
Look at this big mountain! A mountain! Oh, no, pessoal! It's amazing! Let's explore it! It's not just a mountain one, it's a volcano! And we are going to make it erupt! One amazing experiment!
First, we need the base.
Ready to start the countdown?
Two scoops of baking soda for me. And one big scoop for me.
I'll mix the red lava color. Achoo! Achoo! I'm a white spotted one.
We need that for the volcano.
8 drops of red dye coming up.
Okay, ready for the magic vinegar? Yes! Now for the magic vinegar.
It smells like pickles.
That's the power of science, one. This is an exciting educational project.
2 drops of soap for extra bubbles.
Stirring it 8 times. 1, 2, 3. Is it ready yet?
Woohoo! Volcano fun! Wait, safety first. Everyone back.
Oh, okay.
That's right, back up. Everyone ready?
Okay.
1 pair of goggles for me.
Octoblock shield activated. Steady hands, 2. Steady hands.
Watch out, Birdie.
The eruption is about to begin.
2 pours the red vinegar mixture into the funnel. The music stops for a second. 2 says,
Wait for it.
I hear bubbles.
It's waking up.
Prepare for lava. Wow! Look at it go! It's a red river of foam! Octoblock-tastic eruption!
It's so bubbly and warm.
Carbon dioxide is making the bubbles. That's a lot of lava for one volcano. I'm a volcano king. You look silly, one. I can make 8 foam balls. Gotcha! One little bubble.
The volcano is happy today.
We love science!
Oh no! My tentacles are pink! Whee!
Slippery science!
Careful! We have a mess!
I'm a red block in a white cloud.
8 arms mean 8 times the cleaning.
Don't worry, we can clean it together.
Ooh, 2 points to a chart showing baking soda plus vinegar gives gas.
Ooh.
The acid in the base made a reaction.
Like an action movie? Exactly! A chemical action movie. The gas needed to get out, so it pushed the foam.
So the bubbles were just trying to leave?
Science is just nature having a party. Spraying water everywhere. One clean mountain. 2 of everything back in its place. Teamwork makes the science work. I like being red better than being foamy. Another successful experiment for the books.
Can we do it again tomorrow?
Maybe next time with blue lava. The sky is the limit for us.
Bye-bye, scientists!
Keep counting and keep exploring.
See you on the next adventure!